Hopefully this is a quick video how to remove the rear wheel on the Xmax 400. So anyway, hopefully it's quick. I ain't got much time, so I'll try to be quick. First of all, you got to remove 3 bolts, 40 mil here, 14 at the bottom, and then loosen up this, which I believe is a 12. Yeah, it's a 12, so I already feel a bit weird. Yeah, and then get the exhaust off. Let's do that and then come back. Literally took me like less than 3 minutes to remove all the bolts and stuff like that. Now I found out this bit is snapped, which is weird because it looked like it's welded on, which is weird also because I'm just welded on. Just gotta find a place tomorrow or quickly, but the exhaust shouldn't be too difficult to do. The most important thing is getting the wheel on because I've got a flat tire obviously. Yeah, so that's that. Secondly now is to loosen the second air intake. Gosh, I don't know why they got 2, but okay. Yeah, and it should be one of the bolts under there that's holding it on. I'll find that out and I'll come back. So it's the 10 mil. Gosh, I'm wearing some awkward pants anyway. It's a 10 mil underneath there, and then go from there. I believe there's only one, but soon find out. Okay, it's 2 10 mil bolt. The other one is there, along there, and the one obviously underneath there that's been removed, and the airbox should come out of the way. Alright, the second thing I'm going to do now is loosen the main bolt that's holding the axle. Yeah, because the axle that's holding it on there, and then yeah, we should be hopefully a bit in business. So far so good. I only spent about, maybe, to be honest, not long, not even 5 I'll say, and I got this far. So yeah, let's see where the next one goes. Okay, I managed to do it by hand without a impact drive, using a half inch, 1.5, I think so, 1.5. Yeah, half-inch drive, and well no, it's a torque wrench, but I didn't have nothing big with me. That's what I had to improvise. It worked. It's loosened and ready, so might be able to do it by hand. Nope, still can't do it by hand, so I'll just use this now. Show you it's loose, happy days. Yeah, so obviously next step would be to remove the bolts, caliper. I believe you got to remove that, I'm not sure. I'll let you know. Sure, you have to anyway. Yeah, it makes sense too, so we'll do it. That's loose obviously, and go from there. Okay, just a quick update. So I loosened this for the caliper. Obviously I loosened the 2 bolts. Yeah, they're all 12, yeah, 12 mil. Yeah, so I haven't touched this one yet. I think this one's a bit bigger, and there should be one up here somewhere. Sure there is. But yeah, so all I did, loosen them 2, took that 2 out, loosen that. I'm gonna take those 2 out now, let the caliper dry so I could remove the swing arm. I believe it'll just pop off. Yeah, that's loose, and then yeah, go from there, take the wheel off. Let's see how quick we can do this. Most of the bolts got this white grease on them, so someone took them off and put loads of bloody white grease on them. I think they're white grease to be honest, but yeah, the spin is pretty big for the brake caliper. Surprisingly they put white grease on this as well, but this one, these 2, that one down there and the one up there, was bloody hard to come off. They're proper hard, but yeah, take your time, make sure you get it in, set it properly, and go from there. You should be fine. And they're 14 by the way. Okay, I fucked up. I messed up a bit. yeah, technically I don't need to remove the ABS sensor, which I was struggling about, and or the brake pad that's connected. I could just attach it somewhere as long as it's out of the way. Yeah. The brake line, yes, you would have to remove that. There is a 8mm there you have to remove on the other side, but technically I could have left it just to change the wheel. I don't know why I went in to strip everything, went into some strip mode, but I'm gonna stop there, leave that back how it is, because technically this is gonna stay like this for a day, and I'm gonna go and get this tire changed tomorrow. So yeah, so remove this. Obviously I'll give it a clean before I put it back in. And this brake caliper, yep, that is a tight gap in between there, boy. But that'll be free as well. I'm gonna rest that somewhere so it don't hang too much on the brake cable. And the wheel, yeah, the wheel should just come out now, I believe. Yes, a bit force up there and a bit back there. But yeah, technically the wheel will slide out. And sorry, you didn't see none of that, but yeah, technically that move up the shock, that should go up there to give me just enough clearance that I need, and that wheel should come off. Let's try this. So that is one wheel off from the Xmax 400, and obviously I give everything a clean I can. I'm going to check the brake caliper and stuff like that and go from there. But wheel is off, new tires tomorrow evening, come back, fit the tire, well, the rim on, and it should be good. So I was pushing this tire a bit, it had a bit more life. Obviously here in the UK it's 1mm. It's got a bit more life. It's just got a split right there, I believe, or somewhere around there. It's got just a little cut like that. I don't know if you can see that. And yeah, start pissing out here. It's got a couple little cuts, so that's something I'll bear in mind in future. There's even got a little cut in there as well. I'll bear that in future, so when I see a tire a bit cut up like that, I will consider changing it a bit earlier. But yeah, that's that done, out of the way. One fresh tire hopefully tomorrow.